This is a 350 degrees Celsius solder iron. I'm shaking. That is solder. I'm just cleaning up the iron, making sure it's clean. And now I'm gonna heat up the connection. This probably should be more secure, but I'm working with what I got, people. So first I heat up the connection. As you can see in my professional setup. So first I'll heat up the connection, and then you always want to solder from top to bottom. Let it cool down, and then you have a mechanical connection. Let's test out our, it's a little hot, be careful. So let it cool down, but look, check it out. I'm pulling really hard. That's a good connection. I'll add a heat shrink to better the connection, but it looks good.